You have to poke an alligator.
Hello, son.
Hi, Daddy.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a train conductor.
Dumbass.
Years later. Hey, Dad.
What?
I have something to tell you. What? Yeah.
Google.
Okay.
What?
I have something to tell you.
Okay.
I'm in train school.
What?
Follow your dreams, son. Don't be like your old man.
I can't understand you, Dad.
Follow your dream.
I am ready to learn about trains. So, mathematically proven, this is a perfect train. Here you go, sir.
I'll be the judge of this. Yes. Yes, this train was made in exactly 1 minute. I will give it A+.
As the principal of train school, I have an announcement. We did not have enough money in our budget to get a good place, so we got this place under construction. Begin the diplomas. I'm fast. First up is young Gregory Marsh and his phenomenal training in train school. Yes, Gregory. Gregory, my boy.
Where am I?
You are in training school. Take diploma. Go. Yes. Clap, clap, clap. And next up for grabs is young, that guy. Go, that guy. You are Drew Train. You drew a train. I'll call you Drew Train. Here's your diploma, Drew Train.
Thank you. I have always dreamed of this day.
Out.
Of being.
Out.
Ow, ow.
This is my place, and my place alone. That is it. Congratulations, all graduating, all 2 of you.
I can't wait to start my time in being a train conductor. Hello, sir. Do you have any trains that need conducting?
Trains?
Yeah.
What's a train?
It's the thing that goes choo-choo.
Ah, train.
Yeah.
Train.
Yeah.
Those are extinct. We take a bus now, or we take airplane.
What?
Well, what? No.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe.
I like subscriptions. You should subscribe. Because if you don't, I will press it myself. Join the bandwagon and subscribe.
Yeah.
I'm the reincarnation of Sir Isaac Newton.